In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new Lightning app in Salesforce. Whether you're a Salesforce admin or a developer, knowing how to create a Lightning app from scratch can significantly enhance your experience and streamline your tasks. So let's dive in. To start off, head over to your Salesforce homepage. Once you're there, you'll want to look for the Quick Settings icon. This is usually represented by a gear icon at the top right corner of your screen. Clicking on it will open a drop-down menu where you'll want to select Open Advanced Setup. This section is where most of the heavy lifting will occur. Once you're in the advanced setup, you'll be able to type into the search bar. At this point, type App Manager and hit Enter. The App Manager is the hub where you can handle everything about apps in Salesforce. From here, click on App Manager, and then you'll see an option called New Lightning App. Now it's time to input your app's name. This is how users will identify your app, so make sure it's both descriptive and concise. After naming your app, you'll need to input the developer name. This doesn't have to be the same as the display name, but is important for internal reference. Next, let's focus on app branding. This part is optional, but can be crucial for maintaining brand consistency. You can upload a logo and choose a color scheme that aligns with your corporate style. Once you're satisfied with the branding, click Next. Now, we're on to the navigation and form factor settings. Here, you'll define how users will navigate your app and which devices it's optimized for. Consider who your users are and what devices they will use most frequently when making these decisions. The next focus area is Setup and Personalization. This is where you customize the interface further to suit the needs of your team or clients. You'll get options to add keyboard shortcuts and themes, or even enable guided tours to assist new users. Sneak a peek at the navigation style and supported form factors. Both settings further tailor the user experience, and you can decide whether you'd like a horizontal or vertical navigation bar. And after you've made these choices, click Next. You'll now see options to add utility items. Utility items are like tools at your user's disposal, things like a calculator or calendar. Pick the ones that make your app more useful. Once you've selected utility items, go ahead and click Next. You'll now be focusing on navigation items. This is where you decide what pages and records users can access through your app. Simply choose the available items and click Add. Now onto user profiles. Navigate to the relevant settings and select the user profiles you want to give access to your new app. Click on Add, and then you're ready to finalize everything. Finally, click Save and Finish to wrap up your new Lightning app in Salesforce. Congratulations! You've now created a Lightning app in Salesforce fully optimized for your needs. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful.